All right, y'all. We about to get on the ATV. They're right behind us. I got on the GoPro. We got to put the helmets on first. Hopefully it fits around the helmet. I'll do the best we can to get you guys some good footage of this event. Stay tuned.
Don't be surprised if you see me going slow. This is not my
Cup of tea.
I had to switch my ATV because it wasn't turning on. So they made Earl give me his. I guess this one is slower, and Earl had to get on the blue one. Oh Lord, we're moving. You all, this is my first time on an ATV. I am so nervous but super excited. I can't believe I'm on an ATV. I do not like doing stuff like this.
I panned to the right a little bit because I can't believe we're in the middle of the desert in Dubai riding ATVs. Go LEELAY, go LEELAY, go! I am so proud of her. Not only is she riding the ATV, she's also holding the camera to get you guys this great footage. And in case you're wondering, everyone had to keep a certain distance away from the person in front of them. So no tailgating. Hit the brakes!
Woo! That was a close one. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so much fun. You definitely have to do this if you come out to the desert.
Hold on! Wait a minute! Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead!
I can't believe I'm actually enjoying this. Woo! Woo!
Go LEELAY! Go LEELAY! She got that thing on her hand! She got that thing on her hand! After riding for a few minutes, I realized you have to have sunglasses on and you should wear a bandana or something to put around your mouth so the sand doesn't get in there.
As you all know, I am steering with one hand and recording with the other. So when it comes to making turns, I am struggling.
In case you're wondering how we found this excursion, we used the Expedia app and we booked it with Sandtrax, SANDTRAX.
Right now, we are just playing follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. Follow the leader, 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 follow the leader. already got stuck in the sand. I didn't know if I should stay still or continue on.
Leelay, go! Leelay, go!
Right now, we are coming to a standstill. It is the right thing to do. Make sure no teammates are left behind. I guess they are getting the other ATV up and running in the meantime. We are going to take this opportunity to take some photos, some videos, and capture the moment.
We came to Dubai!
Girl, couldn't believe I could handle it.
She had it with one hand. Look at Leelay has that thing with one hand. One hand riding, one hand recording.
Say what? Say what? Say what?
We drove back to the campsite because it's time to ride the camels. Stay tuned for part 3.